How to make daily conversation at home between mom and kids. Let's see.
Good morning, my son. Now it's time to get up.
Good morning, Mom. I already woke up.
It's 7 a.m. now. Hurry up, you have to go to school.
Okay, Mom.
Now go to washroom and brush your teeth. Your breakfast is ready.
Okay, I am brushing my teeth. Mom, what is for breakfast today?
I made your favorite cake and cookies. I also gave some milk for you.
Yay! My favorite food. Thank you, Mom. After return from school.
Dear, how was your school today?
It was awesome. I enjoyed a lot in school today. Teacher gave me some homework.
Well, go take off your uniform and freshen up.
Mom, I'm very much hungry.
Here you go. Your favorite pizza and milkshake.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Mom. 2 hours later.
It's 7 p.m. now. Go and do your homework.
Okay. I will.
After finishing homework.
Mom, I did my homework. Can I watch TV for some times?
Sure. But not for so long, after finishing dinner. Dear, what are you doing now?
Mom, I'm playing computer game.
It's 10 p.m. Go to bed. You have to wake up early.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my dear. See you in the morning.